This channel is gaining millions of views and the author earns tens of thousands of dollars a month. Videos with cute baby animals are now in fashion, and today I will tell you how you can create such viral videos using artificial intelligence absolutely for free. Stay with me until the end, because in just 4 simple steps you will definitely learn how to make such videos. Let's get started. Step 1. Create the perfect clue. Writing hints may seem difficult, but don't worry. Just open the GPT chat and copy the hint I'm using. After you insert it, enter a query into the GPT chat and ask him to create 5 more hints with images of various cute animals. Everything is very easy. Step 2 is to create images right now. I highly recommend using Leonardo AI, as this tool is capable of creating stunningly hyper-realistic images that look very vivid and detailed. To get started, go to the Leonardo AI website and log in. After logging in, select the Image Generation option. Next, open the Preset Styles menu and select the appropriate option for your purposes. To make your images look as realistic as possible, I recommend using a 3D rendering style. Also, don't forget to set the aspect ratio to 9:16. Paste your text query into the hint field and click the Generate button. In just a few seconds, you will have 4 high-quality images from which you can choose the best. Click on the image you like and download it. Repeat this process for all the animals or characters you want to create, and you'll end up with a whole collection of incredibly cute and adorable images. Step 3. Converting images to video. Now that we've created our images, it's time to turn them into videos. To do this, we will use Immersion AI, which will allow us to animate our images. First, go to the Immersity AI website, then upload your images and wait for them to be animated. When the animation process is completed, you will see the finished animation. At this stage, you can customize each animation to your liking, add additional effects, adjust the movement, or change the tempo. After you have set up the animation, download the finished video. Repeat these steps for all generated images to assemble a complete video clip with cute animals. The 4th step of editing in CapCut. Now let's set up all the details and make your videos look even better. Let's take a detailed look at this process so that you can create truly impressive videos. First, open the CapCut app and import all the videos you previously created. Make sure that you have selected all the necessary clips and they are ready for editing. Then add the appropriate background music that will blend harmoniously with your content, and drag this music track onto the timeline. Don't forget to adjust the video aspect ratio to 9:16. This is the perfect format for platforms like Instagram Reels or TikTok. To make your video even more attractive, you can slow it down a bit so that it looks more soothing and cute. This can help highlight key points or create a more emotional atmosphere. If you want to be creative, consider adding animations or smooth transitions between clips. These elements will make your video more dynamic and interesting for viewers. When all the settings are completed and you are satisfied with the result, your video is now ready and you can export the video. Also, try to improve the quality of your videos and post new videos regularly to increase the number of views. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and click on the bell icon to join me in the wave of my training programs. Analyze and repeat step by step with me. Grow and prosper. Let's make this world a better place together.